So sa atin, we are going to partner with a company, okay, who will also provide us with our personal website. So ang goal natin dito is to promote the website, to share it to potential customers na doon sila mag-shopping online. So once nag-place sila ng order, si company ngayon, siya yung mag-fulfill ng order. So sa atin, hindi natin kailangan mag-keep ng malaking warehouse, 'di ba? Kasi si company naman yung magsusupply niyan. At the same time, siya na rin yung magde-deliver. So pati yung logistics from the website to the logistics provided na yan. Ang role lang natin is to share it, 'di ba? So doon tayo nakafocus sa pag-share. Okay? So anong industry naman po yung maganda, 'di ba? We also learn from the pandemic, ang pinakamagandang industry or dependable or sustainable, 'di ba? Is the medical industry, also the food and yung mga healthcare. Kasi it's the most essential industry, 'di ba? Kahit anong mangyari, yung health ng mga tao important, no? So, the company we partner with is USANA Health Sciences, no? So, nandito na nga tayo sa medical, sa healthcare at sa food. Anong company ngayon ang maganda in this industry? And it's USANA, no? So, papakita namin sa inyo kung bakit USANA yung pinipili namin na maging partner. So, sa mga kasama po natin dito sa crowd, o, di ba? Dito sa Zoom room, how familiar are you or are you familiar nga ba, 'di ba? Sige nga, i-type nyo nga po one, 'di ba? Parang first time mo siya ma-encounter. Type 2 if for example, second time second time mo na ma-encounter, 'di ba? Or naririnig mo na, 'di ba? Na try or may mga nakapagbanggit na sa Type 3, 'di ba? If you are already a part of the family, no? Yusana family. By the way, anong basa dito? It's you. Sana, no? Hindi usana. You sana as in ikaw sana, 'di ba? O pak, 'di ba? February 14, Valentine's, ikaw sana, 'di ba? Sige nga tingnan nga natin meron bang mga nagre-react dito. Ayan, no? So, very good. So, thank you po sa mga nag interact So, nakita ko, di ba, may mga nakagamit na, no? And so on. Okay, so let's talk more about USANA, di ba? Kasi bakit nga ba USANA? Nasabi na nating essential industry siya, yung health and medical. But why USANA? No, so simple lang, USANA is the industry leader sa healthcare, health and wellness industry. 30 years niya na pong ginagawa ito. It's publicly traded, it's present all over the world, at napakarami niya pong mga awards, no? From third-party research companies, third-party awarding bodies. So dito po sa Philippines, hindi lang po 6 years number one, but 6, ano na bang taon ngayon? 2020, 7 years, no? 7 years. Kasi pati 2025, number 1 din siya. So, itong tinutukoy ko, meaning, it's the most preferred supplement of Filipinos. O, di ba? So, health conscious na po ang mga Pilipino at ang gusto nila yung pinakamaganda, no? USANA is also the official food supplement partner of PBA, yung atin pong basketball association. Okay, and many other sports commissions all over the world. Usong-uso ngayon yung tennis, no? Si Alex Yala. Do you know na ang Women's Tennis Association, partner niya po ang USANA for many years, no? Bago pa sumikat ang USANA sa Philippines, partner na po ito ng Women's Tennis Association. 'Di ba? Nila Serena Williams, yung mga kalaban ni Alex Iyala, and so on. Okay? So, USANA is manufacturing plant niya is nasa Salt Lake City, Utah. Dinidistribute po dito sa mga countries na nakikita nyo. So, as a potential business partner, ano ba ang sinusolve ni USANA? 'Di ba? So there are top 2 issues lang naman all over the world, 'di ba? Pag tatanungin mo, ano ba mga pinagdadasal mo ngayon? Nako, malaking malaki ang chance andyan po yung health. Kung hindi man for yourself, it could be for your family member, 'di ba? Lord, sana laging healthy lang si mama, o di kaya Lord, sana makalabas na po siya ng ospital, umayos na yung pakiramdam niya, and so on. And of course, finances, no? Sana magkaroon naman ng raise, magkaroon ng opportunity, sana ma-promote ako, o di kaya matanggap na ako abroad. Yan talaga, lagi po talaga, top 2, no? Ito po talaga. But let's talk about health muna, no? Kasi yung finances na establish na natin yan eh. Kaya tayo nandito ngayon, di ba? Kasi aware tayo, we need additional income. But again, bakit nga ba health? Di ba? So, just look at the people around you, no? Meron pong health issues yan, madalas. Kahit hindi nila aminin. Kasi lahat po tayo dinaranas ito, no? Ang stress, number 1, 'di ba? Sino bang hindi nai-stress? Manood ka lang ng balita, okay? Pollution, radiation, cellphone, 'di ba? Food, no? At of course, poor food choices. Yung atin pong mga kinakain these days, 'di ba? Malaki po ang effect niyan sa health natin. At ang dami pong mga nagkakasakit, okay? Ang dami pong health issues, okay? Top 1 cause of death is heart disease. And then nandiyan din po yung cancer. Hindi lang po nakasalalay sa genes yung cancer, but yung atin pong nature, environment, what we eat, ang laki po ng effect niyan kung magkaka-cancer ka o hindi. Respiratory disease, no? Ang daming mga virus, 'di ba? Maya't maya nagkakaroon ng mga balita, may mga bagong virus. Chronic kidney disease, nako ito talaga, ang dami pong dialysis center ngayon. Parang ito po yung sari-sari store dati, 'di ba? May dialysis center sa mall, sa kabilang kanto meron din. No, 'di ba parang magkakatabi ni sila, magkakatapat, hindi sila nauubusan po ng pasyente. Kasi ang dami pong nagda-dialysis. Bakit? Parang ito po kasi yung end stage nung high blood mo or nung diabetes mo. 'Di ba? Unti-unting nasisira po yung kidney pag hindi na sasaayos yung blood pressure and blood sugar problems. 'Di ba? Aminin natin 'yan, ang dami po talagang dialysis centers lately. But the truth is, nearly all disease can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Okay, kung ano man po yung mga health issues na binanggit natin, hindi yan nagsimula ng 24 hours. Unti-unti po, inipon po yun, di ba? Inunti-unting tumaas ang blood sugar, inunti-unti mo ring makulangan ka ng mga nutrients, no? Sa pagpili ng lifestyle and food. So lahat po 'yan pinagdadaanan natin, no? Hindi lang po ako, ikaw, the people around you. But ano pong pwede nating gawin? Okay, at the end of the day, cells po ang solusyon. Okay, yung cells, 'di ba alam po natin yung cells, tissue, body, organ. So, cells is the basic unit of life. Doon po nagsisimula lahat. At sabi po sa pag-aaral, kaya pala makarecover ng cells natin. Ayan o, sabi dito, healthy siya. Kumain ka ng fatty meal, nasira yung cells. Pero bigyan mo siya ng maraming nutrients, nakaka-recover. So kaya po talaga, hindi po forever, di ba? Ngayon, kung iaasa lang natin sa food, gaano karami? Okay? 18 oranges, vitamin C pa lang yan. Vitamin E, kalahating sako ng spinach. Per day po ito ha, per day. No? So, totoo po pala si Popeye. Kailangan pala ganun karami. Okay? Pero hindi na po natin kaya yan. 'Di ba? Ganun kadami, hindi na po natin kaya yon. Kaya po, andito po ang supplementation. So, nakukuha nyo yon. Ito yung problem na nire-resolve natin. Nutrient deficiencies. Matutulungan kanyang makarecover, but hindi natin kayang kumain ng sobrang daming food, kaya ginagawa nating supplements, no? Para concentrated na siya in tablet form, okay, iinumin mo na lang. But sa dinami-dami po ng company, supplement brand out there, anong difference ni Usana? Of course, we are science-backed, no? Napakadami pong studies around Usana supplements. At bilang iinom nito, you should always ask these questions. Kompleto ba siya? Anong effect niya? May side effect ba? Maaabsorb ba ng katawan? Is it safe? 'Di ba? So if you are someone who is already taking supplements, you are already on the right track. Okay? Okay po 'yan, no? You are not being stubborn. Okay? So very good. Hindi tayo ignorant, no? Nire-recognize natin. Meron tayong challenges. So, anong difference niyo sana, 'di ba? Bakit natin nasabi na is really good? So, sa akin po, simple lang. Malaking help na meron pong third-party research companies talaga. And NutriSearch is one of that. So, ito pong NutriSearch, this is based in Canada. Chine-check niya yung mga supplements na dinidistribute worldwide. And kinompare niya yung 1,600 brands against these 16 criteria. Chinek niya, is it complete? Anong effect niya sa different organs? Nakaka-long life ba yan? And number 16, meron ba siyang potential toxicity? Pag ininom mo siya ng matagal, 'di ba? Anong mangyayari sa iyo? Ganon, no? So sinummarize niya ng 5-star. And thankfully, ang findings niya for Usana is 5-star platinum plus. O 'di ba? So ito po yung titigan ninyo maigi kasi this is very important, no? Usana got the highest rating, 5-star platinum plus. And its bioavailability is 96.1. So just imagine, iinumin mo yung tablet, mapupunta agad yung nutrients sa katawan mo, sa dugo mo, sa cells mo. Para kang nag-IV injection. 'Di ba uso yun ngayon, yung mga IV, vitamin C, magpapaturok ka, no? Yun actually yung purpose nun, para mapunta agad sa blood yung nutrients. But with Cell Essentials, hindi mo na kailangan magpa-injection. 'Di ba? Iinumin mo lang yung tablet. Mapupunta na siya sa cells mo. At wala po siyang potential toxicity. Napakalinis. Magagamit talaga ng body mo. Unlike ito pong ibang brand, 'di ba, yung nasa ilalim, 1-star lang po yung rating. Ayan. So sabihin natin, 'di ba, ayan po si Centrum. Hindi naman sa pangaano, no? Pero half-star yung rating at 5% lang yung naa-absorb. Big difference, 'di ba? Big difference. So, it started with Dr. Myron Wen's vision. Napaka-pure. He just wants to create the healthiest family on earth, no? And it starts talaga with ourselves, 'di ba? So, nakakatuwa, meron tayong medyo educational, no? Nutrition education. Nagsisimula talaga sa cells. At hindi lang po isa si Dr. Myron Wentz, napakadaming scientist. So if you partner with USANA, no, you are partnering with a scientifically evidenced company, no? Napakagandang company nito. Grabe yung research nila. Kampante ka sa products. No, yun po ang point doon. And ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, Women's Tennis Association, Philippine Sports Commission, 'di ba? Sila Manny Pacquiao, sila Heidi Lin, si Yulo, nagamit nila ito, no? Yung atin po mga basketball players, okay, they use Usana. Ayan. So ano ba ang products ni Usana? You might heard about Cell Essentials. Ito po yung ating flagship product. They come in 2 bottles. Ang tawag nila parang mag-asawang bote, 'di ba? Hindi sila napaghihiwalay. Isang blue, isang green. Yung blue yan po yung minerals, yung pagkain ng cells. Yung green yan po yung ating vitamins, no? Protection natin siya. At wala po siyang no approved therapeutic claim. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang therapeutic claim, 'di ba? So para siyang gamot, no? Ina-address niya sa'yo yung mga kulang na nutrients sa body. At sabi nga natin, 'di ba? Almost all disease started with a nutrient deficiency. So yung root cause ang ina-address nito. Root cause. So anong mararamdaman natin when we take this? Of course, yung ating immunity mas lalakas. Marami pong mga nasa medical field as long as they use cell essentials, kampante sila, hindi basta-basta nahahawa. Restful sleep, 'di ba? Kahit parang 4 to 5 hours lang sleep mo, pero malalim pagkagising mo parang naka 8 hours ka kaagad. Regular bowel movement, no? Natutulungan gumalaw-galaw yung mga intestines, no? Para maipalabas ang sama ng loob. Healthy skin, ayan, nakaka-younger looking skin po talaga. Parang hindi mo na mahulaan yung edad ng mga nagtitake ng USANA, no? And better metabolism, more energy throughout the day, 'di ba? Makakaraket ka pa, no? Magtrabaho ka buong araw, pagdating ng gabi, kaya mo pang rumakit, 'di ba? And of course, yung long-term effect po nito napakahalaga, 'di ba? You are investing on your overall health para in the future hindi ka nagkakasakit basta-basta ng kaka-develop ng mga kung ano-ano, no? Because you are securing the nutrients na kailangan ng cells mo. So sa usapang presyo, sulit ka na po dito. Kasi parang pinaghalo-halo mo iba't ibang vitamins, no? Sa loob ng 2 tableta, makukuha mo itong lahat. Sabihin mo, mag-invest ka 38 pesos per day. Or kung meron kang account, no, as a partner, 33 pesos per day. Or kung make it 2 pairs, 66 pesos per day. So, 'di ba? So, alam mo 'yon, 66 pesos lang, no? Pero tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho mo, tuloy-tuloy yung racket mo, 'di ba? Ang dami mong naiiwasan ng mga health issues, no? Inumin mo to throughout the years, magkano lang pa rin 'yun, 'di ba? Pero ang maiiwasan mo, 'di ba, mga million-million na mga health issues, no? 'Di ba? So totoo po, true health is true wealth. Keep yourself healthy, no? Maa-allocate mo yung iyong kaparehan sa ibang mga bagay, 'di ba? And aside from Cell Essentials, marami pa pong products si USANA na targeted. Meron pang kids, meron for the heart, for the brain, for the bones, meron na rin pong skincare, for the liver, for the eyes. Meron din pang fat loss, no? Pang burn ng fats. Okay? So, if you have specific concerns, feel free to reach out to the person who invited you para mas ma-share niya sa iyo kung ano yung bagay, no? Doon sa gusto mo, ano pa yung other options, or learn more about this lineup, no? Yung mga products. Okay? And totoong-totoo po yung mga minention natin sa inyo. Of course, ako personally, I am thankful, di ba, that I have encountered Usana. We use it in the family. So matagal na, more than 5 years na, di ba? And my mother who started with a lot of health issues, meron siyang mga, alam mo yon, myoma, gouty arthritis, grabe yung fatty liver niya, uugod-ugod na at the age of 58, no? Pero just a few months of using Usana products, 'di ba? Grabe yung transformation. Naging healthy talaga, lumakas sa mga buto-buto, okay? Nagte 10 kilometer run, maakyat ng bundok, 'di ba? Talo niya pa yung mga mas bata sa kanya. And throughout the years, alam mo yon, never na kami nagkaroon ng mga serious health issues, 'di ba? Yung tipong maa-admit, kailangan operahan, ang laki ng gastos sa mga gamutan. Walang ganon, no? So talagang, alam mo yon, we are thankful. Secured ang health natin, no? And she is able to retire ngayon with a very good quality of life, 'di ba? Parang nung isang araw lang, may mga kasama siya mga senior citizen, mga 62, 70, 80, siya naman 66, 'di ba? Nagpa-BP silang lahat, sama-sama. Siya lang ang may normal na blood pressure. Walang maintenance medication. O, di ba? Nakaka-proud. Palakpakan natin. Yon. Okay. So, thank you po. Diba? Ayan. Oh, so, moving forward, maganda po yung USANA, diba? But the question is, ano ba yung distribution channel nito? Bakit wala siya sa mga pharmacy, no, retail stores? That is because iba po ang distribution model niya, no? Gaya nung minention natin kanina, is under direct selling business, specifically meron siyang dropship concept. In other words, hindi mo siya mabibili kung saan-saan. You have to have your own account directed to the manufacturer, okay? Para yung gagamitin mong products, straight from the manufacturer yan, i-deliver sa'yo at ma-maintain ang quality. So from there, you become either a customer or a brand partner. So ito pong brand partner, ito yung may mga potential ways of earning. Whereas si customer, meron siyang discount. Okay? So iba siya against the traditional business model na nakikita natin sa mga ibang companies, no? Na merong mga commercial, nasa pharmacy, okay, meron siyang mga patong-patong, ano. Ito po, we want to keep it efficient, no? Na talagang yung bibilhin mo is pang-create ng quality products, no? Hindi na siya ipangbabayad pa sa artista, sa sa patong ng middleman, etc. So sabi natin, the brand partner has the opportunity to earn, okay? So ang role ni brand partner again is to share the product, share this opportunity that in a way yung iyo pong customer is either magiging, yung iyo pong kausap is magkakaroon din ng account na makokonect sa'yo. Yung account na yon is either customer or brand partner. But either way, o-order sila pareho ng products, di ba? Because we are product-driven. Yung products na yan, meron po siyang equivalent na points. Yung points, yan po yung nagiging dollar commission. No? So, we earn in dollars. Okay? That's the point. Okay? And you can expand, no? In other countries as long as there is USANA. Okay? So, you can expand, you can share it to a lot of people, use the website, no? Maximize yung mga opportunities like this na may magpe-present online. Pwede rin naman face-to-face. Okay? At lahat po ng gagamit, meron silang kanya-kanyang account. As long as they use their account in purchasing the products, meron kang points. Kahit nasa ibang bansa pa sila. O, diba? And again, yung points, yan po yung nagiging dollar commission mo. Diba? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. That's what the concept is all about. Use the products, maximize the tools, the website, the app, the links, share it to as much many people as you can, kahit sa iba't ibang bansa, no? And then you earn dollars. Diba? Ganun lang siya. So, with all of the support, no, na provided at ganun kaganda yung partner natin, yung products, how do you start the business? Very simple lang po, buy products, no? Bibili ka ng products mo for your personal use, share it to your family, or share it, no, as inibenta mo siya dyan sa mga kasamahan mo. Only for 22,590. Okay? Kasi ito po, kit na siya. Malaki yung discount kapag naka-kit, no? At yung combination ng products dito, it is designed to support your cells, to give you more energy throughout the day. Okay, mas-support yung mga heart health, metabolism, bone health, brain health. Okay, pang-overall na siya. And mas malaki yung discount kapag kit. And for only 22,590, makukuha mo na lahat ng mga tools na pinakita natin. You can already expand to other countries. You can already start earning. Okay? And number two, you can also have another option, which is product of choice or 6 pairs of cell essentials. Only for 23,130. O, di ba? For that price, naku, napakamura po. Tama ba? Parang bumili ka lang ng Android phone. Hindi pa iPhone. Android phone, di ba? Mas mahal pa yung aircon, no? Mas mahal pa yung rent, 'di ba? Sa mamahaling condo, okay? Parang bumili ka lang, 'di ba? Tama po ba? Because yung payment or yung payment options naman po is very flexible. Okay? I-share yan sa inyo ng nag-invite sa inyo. Pwedeng credit card, mix, no? Card, cash, dalawang card, etc. But how do we earn muna, no? So briefly lang, 'di ba, with the 22,000 you can already maximize yung mga opportunities, and ito po yung different ways of earning natin with Usana. Okay, straightforward yung pinakita ko kanina, but meron pa siyang iba't ibang mga bonuses. So ito po yung na-mention natin kanina. As long as you have an account straight away, meron ka kaagad 20% discount across all products. On top of that, if you are a brand partner and meron ka na sharean, okay, meron kang customer, gumamit siya ng account niya to purchase the products, meron ka kaagad 10% doon sa total points ng in-order niya for 26 weeks. So, ganyan po, 10%. So, for example, si John, nag-order siya on her first time niya umorder worth 100 points. Or in this example, worth 200 points, ayan, 200 points, meron ka kaagad 10%, no? Which means you have $20 right away. Okay? So for example, the following month, umorder ulit siya 200 points, meron ka kaagad $20.
Coach Gian, parang nawala yung audio mo. Coach Gian, pa-check nung audio. Wala kang sound. Ayan. Wait lang po at meron tayong technical difficulties. Live na live po tayo. So, I think nagka-problema sa internet connection si Coach Gian. So, wait lang po. Saglit.
As in, anong word? Ay, sige. Anyway, ito po yung sales bonus. May nabanggit na ba ako about sales bonus before ako mawala?
Yes,
Or
meron na. Meron na.
parang patapos na or kakasimula lang?
Parang patapos ka naman na.
Okay. Ayan. O, sige. So, ganun po talaga, no? Nandito ako sa Pasig. So, mukhang nagfa-fluctuate yung signal. Ayan. So, going back, ito pong new sales bonus, yan nga po yung minention natin na as long as they use the account, on purchasing products, meron kang commission, no? For 6 months. Ang maganda po is as long as they use, kumbaga i-explain lang natin siya sa simula, di ba? Syempre, ganun talaga. But once they use the product, mararamdaman nila no? So, meron talagang malaki yung chance for repeat purchase. And of course, meron po tayong mga trainings, 'di ba? How to process orders, how to share it, how to connect, no? To follow up and so on. Yun po yung maganda dito kasi hindi kayo lost provided po yung roadmap. Okay? Which assures us that whenever they use their account within the 6 months, okay, meron agad tayong 10%, no? At yun po yung sure doon kasi yun nga, maganda yung product at meron tayong trainings. Which leads us to the milestone bonus. Okay, so ito po yung minimension ko kanina. Meron pong mga trainings, meron pong roadmap, okay, step by step. At every time na fulfill po natin yung mga milestones na yan, yung step by step, meron pa ulit tayong bonus. Okay, so yung parang adjustment period, yung learning phase, it takes around 13 weeks. Pwedeng mas mabagal, pwedeng mas mabilis. But the good thing is, nire-reward tayo again. Okay, whenever we fulfill those milestones. That is a total of $300 in addition pa dun sa new sales bonus mo. So, $300 magkano po? Diba? Around 15,000. Okay? Not bad, no? Diba, imagine mo, wow, may additional 15,000 ako. Anong gagawin ko kaya doon, no? I'm sure marami na tayong naiisip na paglalagyan yan. Okay? So, after sharing, no, yan po kasi yung first step ng way of earning. Next is yung grow. Ito po yung i-grow na natin yung ating team, okay, yung ating organization, because we want also to expand the market, no? Hindi lang tayo magre-rely dun sa products, but we also get to earn from our partners, okay? And ito pong base commission, this is our main way of earning sa Usana. So just to review, again, yung products natin, may kanya-kanya silang points. And from the points, yan po yung nagiging dollars natin. Lahat po ng commission natin from Usana is straight from Bank of America to our bank account. Okay, wala po siyang pagdadaanan na, alam mo yon, cheque or ibang tao. Straight for your bank account. Okay? So as I've mentioned, ang goal po natin is to build a team of loyal customers, competent na mga resellers or retailers, no? And mga magagaling na mga business partners. Okay? So, meron po tayong cut-off, that is Saturday to Saturday. Lahat po ng points na na-generate is ito total niya na yan. Okay, from personal sales or mula yung orders doon sa account mo, orders ng partners mo, ito total niya po yan. Yan po yung magiging dollar commission mo at the following week. And from the base commission, it is 20% of the group sales. So, paano po ba yung group sales? Ito po yung minimension natin na we will expand our market, we will build an organization. So, napakita po natin kanina, di ba, yung isang tao, either magiging customer siya or magiging brand partner mo siya, they will create an account. At yung account po na yan ay mako-connect sa'yo. Pero paano yan mako-connect? Ipi-place mo siya either left market or right market. Team A or Team B. Okay, bakit siya ganon? No, basta it's just a way of computing, no, yung mga production, yung points, etc. But ang maganda po dito, lahat po ng market, no, Team A or Team B, nagtutulungan. Okay? So for example, ikaw ito, 'di ba, yung nasa gitna. Shinare mo kay tita. Si tita ngayon, shinare niya sa kumpare niya. Si kumpare, for example, seaman siya. Nagdala siya, no, good for 6 months. Or hindi pala 6 months. Mga ano lang to, kung 200 points, no? Mga 3 months lang. Okay? So, nagdala siya good for 3 months, 200 points. So, ang maganda po dito, kahit si tita lang yung kakilala mo, dahil connected si kumpare kay tita, maa-account din sa'yo yung points ng in-order niya. No? Kahit hindi mo sila kakilala. Kaya dito sa Team A mo, sa left, you have a total of 400 points. 'Di ba? Pero si tita lang talaga yung kakilala mo. Ganun po siya kaganda. And on the other side, dito po sa right, no? For example, jowa mo siya, no? 200 points din ang in-order ni jowa. Tapos, shinare niya dito kay ate. 'Di ba? Family na. Si ate pala ay isang doktor. So, nag-share siya, umorder din siya. Good for 100 points lang muna. Okay? So, 300 points on the right side. So, ang gagawin po niyan, ipa-follow po yung smaller side, 300 points, 20% of that, you have additional $60 or around 3,300 pesos in 1 week. Diba? 1 week po yan, no? So, kahit 3,300, diba, not bad. Okay? Ang laking tulong na rin po in this economy, no? But the good news is, forever connected po sila sa account mo. Pwede pang lumaki yung organization. Kung mahiyain ka ngayon, 'di ba? What if magkaroon ka ng partner na siya yung, alam mo yon, maboka, siya yung maraming connection. Connected siya sa'yo at lahat ng market niya, market mo na rin. Ganon po kaganda yung base commission. At dahil forever po yan na connected, no? Lumalaki siya. Dati 3,300 lang per week. May chance na after some time, pwede siya magiging 33,000 na. 'Di ba? Yan yung sinasabi natin na leverage. You do not rely on your own strength, but you have your team with you. 'Di ba? Team na tutulong sa'yo at team na mga magwo-work with you. 'Di ba? Ganun po kaganda. At syempre, meron po tayong community. On our second speaker, mas matututunan niyo po yung tungkol doon, her personal experience, no? Paano niya ni-leverage yung opportunity and the team. And of course, lahat po ng income natin, it relies pa rin on your effort, no? May level siya, your dedication, your personal goals. But maganda po yung mag-share sa atin, no? At next, kasi she did it while she's working, no? Kahit kaka-start pa rin, naging massive na rin yung results with Usana. So you will surely learn a lot from her, no? And finally, 10% matching bonus. Lahat po ng mga magiging partner mo na personally, ikaw yung nag-share ng Usana sa kanila, okay? You still also get to earn a bonus from their earnings naman. So for example, si John, yung example natin kanina, si John nagsimula, nag-build rin siya, and he got to earn $1,000 in 1 week. Dahil ikaw yung nag-introduce ng Usana sa kanya, meron ka ding 10% from his income. Pero hindi yan ibabawas ni Usana sa kanya. He will receive that 100% and you still get your additional bonus, no? At unlimited po yan. Pwede ka mag-sponsor ng madami. They all earn. Meron kang bonus lahat mula sa kanila. So, ang maganda po doon, di ba? Hindi ka magi-start dito na parang, ay, alam mo yon, nag-enroll na si John eh. So, kumita na si Patricia, pinabayaan niya. Hindi siya ganon, no? We want you to succeed, di ba? Meron tayong vested interest on each other. That's how business works, no? Okay? So, again, this is on top of your new sales bonus, milestone bonus, base commission, and matching bonus. So, ang dami. Okay? So, alam mo yon, pwedeng hindi mo siya na-gets lahat, but the takeaway is dollars at marami pong ways of income with Usana. And finally, meron pong mga pa-travel, okay, VIP treatment, world-class destination. Lagi po siyang good for 2, hindi ka mag-isa, okay, may +1. All expense paid, no? So, ang ganda lang kasi you can bring a loved one, okay? At lahat po, okay, pambili mo ng pasalubong, extra side trip, may pocket money. Yan. And finally, Of course, meron din po tayong subscribe and save. We can definitely support subscription model. Okay, yung mga gustong i-replenish yung stock nila regularly, you sana can do that. Okay, magre-restock ka, naubusan yung partner mo, kailangan niya na kaagad, kayang-kaya niyo sana i-fulfill yung order na yan. Ganun ka-powerful yung system niya. And on top of that, of the 20% discount, when you opt for the subscribe and save, meron pang additional 10% ulit. 'Di ba? So again, ganun po kaganda yung sistema. There is an opportunity for repeat purchase kasi ang ganda rin naman ng product. At yung sistema po is napakaganda ng pagkakagawa. It can support that, no? Yung mga regular orders. And therefore, meron ka talagang system na nale-leverage for regular dollar commissions, no? Regular stream of income. And after all, ito pong account natin, this is inheritable. Pwedeng-pwede po siya mapamana. Okay? Lahat, no? Yung income, yung title, yung mga customer at yung partners na connected. So, imagine, no? Yung next generation, hindi sila magsisimula from scratch. You have a legacy to leave sa kanila. Okay? At dahil po dyan, okay, so ang promise po ni Yusana sa atin, simple lang, fast results, be it as a customer or as a brand partner. Gusto mo ng health, okay, mararamdaman mo agad yung benefits within 30 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, and tuloy-tuloy po, months moving forward. Gusto mo ng money, no? Mare-reward ka niya agad with dollar commissions. May mga trainings, may support system, may community like this, 'di ba? So, ang masasabi lang po natin, I hope na intindihan po nila, no? And you stay until the last part so you can also ask your questions, give your feedback. But I'm sure nagandahan po tayo, no? At ang sabi po ni Richard Branson, kagaya ni Warren Buffett, one of the richest man on earth, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure if you can do it, just say yes, diba? And then learn how to do it later. No? Kasi may mararamdaman mo yan eh. At meron pong mga trainings provided. No? So that's it. We are from Team Core Edge. Ito po ang magsusupport sa inyo. And ask yourself, diba, where do you see yourself ngayon? Are you a customer? Are you a retailer? Or pang business partner ba? Diba? So, yun lang po. Thank you. And I will give the floor back to our host, no, to continue our webinar. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you, Coach Gian. Ayan, nagkaroon man tayo ng konting technical difficulty, but ayan, very clear naman nating natapos ang ating presentation. And very ano no, very comprehensive yung naging discussion no. Kaya nga sabi ni Coach Gian, kung hindi mo man masyadong naintindihan, ang importante dito na maalala mo na dollars yung pwedeng kitain dito sa business ng Yusana no. So, with that, hindi ko na po patatagalin and I'd like to introduce our next speaker, okay? Because yung atin pong susunod na speaker will share with us more about the potential, no? Ano ba yung posibleng mangyari kung sisimulan at kung gagawin mo talaga yung business, okay? So, siya po ay graduate naman from UST, okay? So, siya po ay nag-graduate from UST ng BS Information Management. And siya po ay nag-work bilang IT Project and Capability Lead. Okay? Now, she's a global business leader, of course, doing this business with us. So, I'd like to introduce po our next speaker, Miss Sila Nicolas. Hi, Coach. Good evening po.
Hello, good evening. Ayan, gising pa ba ang lahat? Before we proceed, sige. Since hindi ko kasi nakikita lahat, no, dahil hindi lahat ay may camera. Sige, so ganito na lang. Let's make it a bit more interactive, ha? So pag may mga tanong ako, either kung naka-on yung camera mo, thumbs up na lang para mas mabilis kaysa sa ano no, sa chat. Or if naka-off yung camera mo, mag-ano lang tayo no, heart react na lang or yung thumbs up. Okay? Sige. So may mga ano pa tayo dito kasama from people from other countries outside the Philippines. Meron ba? Meron. Okay. Ayan, taga saan si ma'am? Okay, marami pala, no? From Uma, may taga-Italy pa. Alright, sige. So, bakit nga ba ako nandito? Di ba? So, actually, I'm not from this team. And yun yung maganda dito with the culture of USANA. Di ba? Even if hindi kami pare-pareho ng team, kasi eventually, di ba, once you decide to become part of the USANA family, whether as a customer ba yan, as a retailer, or someone na gusto rin talaga mag-build ng kanyang business. Okay? So, very healthy yung community, di ba? Literal na healthy, plus also the community itself, no? Very healthy din yung ano. Kumbaga, kahit na we're from different teams, we also have these types of collaborations. Okay? Okay. So, bakit nga ba natin kailangan mag-start sa ating USANA journey? Actually, at the end of the day, choice mo naman yun. Di ba? The same way na yung mga kasama nyo na nag-invite sa inyo dito, ako rin, di ba? Included, made a choice at some point in my life. So in my case, that was almost 3 years ago, April of 2023. Okay? Di ba? So, kung bakit ako nag-start, actually, I've been using the product since 2021. Okay? Tapos, yung business, ito lang, noong 2023 ko talaga siya yung as in ginawa. Okay. Bakit ako nag-shift no, from being a consumer papunta dun sa someone who is yung tinatawag na brand partner. So kanina medyo marami tayong mga technicalities na narinig. And for sure, tama ba ako? Naintindihan nyo ba lahat? Hindi, di ba? Tama ba? Thumbs up or ano, react tayo. Naintindihan ba natin lahat? Hindi natin naintindihan lahat. Yun na lang yung tanong. Hindi natin naintindihan lahat. Tama? Okay? So isa lang yung naging klaro sa akin nung time na pinakinggan ko yung business side nung Yusana. Okay? Alam ko lang maganda siya. Yun lang. Di ba? Alam ko lang maganda kasi yung products, na-try ko na siya back then, noong 2021 pa. And hindi ako tumigil gamitin yung products kasi nga, nakikita ko na yung benefit sa akin. Okay? So hindi ko nag-iisa-isahin kung ano yung mga naging benefit sa akin. But I've used halos lahat nung time na yun kasi marami pang mga products na wala sa Philippine market. But yung basic na kung narinig nyo na or maririnig pa lang later on, no, yung energy kit, yung laman nun, lahat ng yun, ginagamit ko since 2021. Plus more pa. Okay? So kung alam ko na maganda yung products, definitely may magandang business behind it. Tama ba? Na hindi lang siya sa USANA ha. Kapag alam ko maganda ang isang produkto, definitely maganda rin yung business behind it. Right? So, yun yung number one. And then number two, if you have not heard yet about USANA, if this is the first time you've heard about USANA, I challenge you na mag-research about USANA and the credibility behind our company, the values, diba, yung integrity and all that. Sure ako na yun din yung talagang when you become part of this family, yun din talaga yung may experience ninyo. Okay? The values. Ayan. Okay? And then, personally, ano ba yung parang pinaka push sa akin to do the USANA business? Isa lang kasi akong back then, no, growing up, hindi naman ako yung type na, di ba sa school, may mga achievers, may mga nagva-valedictorian, may nagtatop, ganyan. Hindi ako yun. Di ba? Pero, bata pa lang ako, meron akong pangarap. Sabi ko, someday, gusto ko, ako rin, yung nagsasalita sa harap, di ba? Yung nagbibigay ng mga talk na, alam mo yun, nakaka-inspire, nag-a-add ng value. Okay? Pangarap lang yun back then. But, happy ako kasi hindi ko sinasabing yung sana lahat nagbigay nung results kung ano yung meron ako right now. But it became an avenue na nag-open ng more opportunities for me. So, ano ba yung mga na-experience ko as I do the Usana business. Syempre for sure, di ba, natutunan ko yung technicalities na shinare kanina ni Nico. Ay, palakpakan naman natin si Coach Gian kanina, di ba? The struggle is real sa kanyang presentation. Kasi it really happens, ha? Pero going back dun sa, ayan, di ba, sa presentation, syempre hindi lahat ganun, di ba? But she stood up again, di ba, para itapusin yung presentation na kahit hindi natin naintindihan. But sure ako, di ba, along the way, maiintindihan din natin yan. Kasi nga, we have the system that will help you understand. Sobrang patient actually ng mga nami-meet ko ditong mga coaches and mentors, no? Wala pa namang nagalit sa akin kasi nagtanong ako when I was still starting. So, ito na ha, someone na, alam mo yun, nasa tech industry for the last 16 years. Tapos, alam mo yun, magtatanong ka ng mga basic question. Walang nagsabi sa akin, ano ba yan sila? Hindi mo magets? Walang ganon. Di ba? In fact, they're very passionate in sharing, di ba? The technicalities of the business, the know-hows about yung sa mga products, di ba? And if ikaw yung katulad ko na nasa ibang industriya, okay? Meron pa bang mga katulad ko dito na mga empleyado at mga alipin ng joke lang. Kasi yun yung laging joke, di ba? Mga alipin daw ng salapi yung mga empleyado. Hindi. So, if you are someone like me na nasa ibang industry, also wanting to learn more about ayan, di ba? The products, the business, maraming programs din yung Usana. So recently, it was recently concluded, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na wellness coach. Yan, certification siya na program that you can undergo, I think roughly 3 months nag-run yung program. Diba? So, kasi gusto ko mas matutunan. Parang sa sobrang ganda ng effect niya sa akin and sa diba, family ko, sa mga clients ko rin, ganyan. Syempre gusto ko matutunan. Ano pa ba yung mga details nung products natin, and other aspects of wellness. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, paano ka ba magkakaroon ng confidence to share? If you get more information, knowledge, 'di ba, or wisdom, ayan. So, yun, maraming mga ganong klaseng mga programs. And kanina, di ba, na-mention din yung mga incentives. So, kung excited ka mag-Hokkaido, hindi ka pa nakapuntang Hokkaido like me, di ba, mag-Prague. Ayan, di ba? These are things na pwede nating i-look forward rin. So, it's not just about learning about the products, learning about the business, pero meron pang mga ganitong klaseng opportunities that you saw na can give. Okay? Tapos, yun. So, going back, di ba, nangangarap lang naman ako before eh. But when you really pray for something, di ba, bibigyan ka pala talaga ng opportunities that can help you achieve yung mga, yun, ina-aspire mo. Kasi when I was praying for that, hindi naman siya for fame or di ba, for whatever vain reason. When I was praying for me to become someone na nagbibigay rin ng mga talk, nagsasalita sa mga business summit, ganyan. But gusto ko kasi matouch din talaga yung lives ng more people. Okay? So, true enough, di ba, the Lord gave me these types of opportunities, the platform, para mas ma-enhance pa yung mga skills. So, other than learning the business, yung soft skills ko rin. Sabihin mo, sila, nasa ka naman, di ba, corporate. So definitely, natututunan mo talaga yung mga skills na ganyan. Well, yes and no. Yes, kasi sa corporate, they teach you the technicalities of things. But the practical application, dito ko siya nagagamit. When I talk to people, when I do these types of presentations din, di ba? Ayan, kakagaling ko lang ngayon, minute ko yung mga leaders ko, may talk rin akong binigay sa kanila. So, alam mo yun, these skills, kumbaga binigay or the platform to enhance the skills na meron pala ako natatago lang. But yun yun ang bigay rin sa akin nung community ng Usana. These types of opportunities. So ano yung naging effect? Diba? So sa 2 years ko in the Usana business, so ayun, di ba nagkaroon ng several promotions? Or hindi ko sure kung na-mention baka very light lang, no? Or siguro sa nyo, pag kinausap niyo yung person who invited you into this webinar, no? So, yun, di ba, nagkaroon ako ng multiple promotions in a span of 2 years in this business. So, hindi ko ipa-promise na kayo rin, di ba, mapapromote in 2 years. Kasi, at the end of the day, syempre, it goes hand in hand with paano nyo ba gagawin yung business if you decide to become a brand partner as well. Okay? But isa lang yung sure ako dyan, no? Yung support nung community, ayan, nung Core Edge na team, no, will definitely be there along the way. So kung ano man yung goals ninyo, bakit nga ba kayo nag-decide na mag-join in tonight? Is it about financial? Is it about the community? Is it about health? Maraming reasons kasi. And sure ako, di ba, tutulungan kayo niyan, yung mga people who invited you. And for sure din, yung mga mentors nitong Core Edge team will be there to guide you kung ano man yung inyong mga goals in this business or in life actually in general. So I hope no magkita-kita tayo sa mga ayan events, sa mga travel incentives, di ba? I'll see you in Hokkaido and in Prague and in Boracay. Saan pa ba? Saan niyo pa gusto magkita? Marami kasing nakaabang na travel incentives. So I hope magkita-kita tayo doon. And yan, sa mga upcoming na plinag ko na yun, no? Global Convention next year. Ayan, makita-kita rin tayo doon. Alright? So, yun lang and see you soon.
Alright, thank you, Coach Sila. At salamat po sa pagpapa-unlock sa invitation ng Core Edge. Again, yun nga yung ano no, yun nga yung napakaganda dito sa culture ng Yusana no na kahit na hindi magkakasama talaga in the same team, we're under one Yusana no. So talagang nagtutulungan ang bawat isa dito. So magpasalamat po tayo kay Coach Sila no. So ayan, so type nyo lang po sa chat box or
Thank you,
mag-unmute
Coach
po kayo.
Sila.
Ayan. So,
Thank you, Coach Sheila.
bago po namin kayo pakawalan, Coach, mag-picture po muna tayo, no? Before we end this webinar, together with Coach G and then our first speaker. So, ayan. Please open your cameras po para naman meron tayong souvenir of this evening, no? Dahil dalawang napaka-powerful na women ang kasama natin sa ating webinar tonight. Alright? Coach Lai, ikaw po ba ang magpipicture? Ayan. So,
Yes po, ako na. Hold on. Bakit kasi na-spotlight ko yung sarili ko? Okay. Alright. Ayan. Okay. Sige po. So, may hahabol pa ba? Mag-open cam? Okay. Taking photo in 3, 2, 1, and smile. Ayan. Isa pa. Itayo mo yung camera mo, Charmaine. Yan. Para hindi ka nakapahala. Okay. One more.
yan.
1, 2, 3, and smile. Alright. Got it. Thank you, Mentor Sila.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat Coach Gian and Coach Sila sa inyong presentation po tonight. Maraming salamat po for joining us. And at this point, we'll be opening the breakout rooms para po sa mga guests natin and for those people who invited you, para naman magkausap kayo nung taong nag-invite sa inyo. Ngayon, if wala pong magpa-pop out na breakout room sa inyo, the person who invited you will be reaching out to you po separately, okay? So, wag niyo pong palalampasin ang gabing to na hindi kayo nag-uusap ng taong nag-invite sa inyo, okay? Kasi I'm pretty sure meron kayong mga tanong, may mga gusto kayong i-clarify. Tanungin niyo na po yan ngayong gabi, okay? Para naman malinawan kayo sa kung ano man yung mga questions ninyo or mga clarifications ninyo about the presentation tonight, okay? So with that, thank you everyone for joining us. And again, please join the breakout room po pag lumabas po yung prompt sa inyo. Okay? So this has been Trish. This has been Trish and this is Yasana, Your Healthier Life, Your Way. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, Coach Trish.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Coach Trish.
Thank you.
Thank you.